What up, guys? What's up? I just wanted to make that quick video about how to delete all the listing from my personal marketplace Facebook marketplace account. I have seen a lot of people complaining about this thing, how they can delete all the listing at once, which is something impossible to do. I find a new way to do that for myself, so I'm gonna share this information with you. All right, so here I am now in my personal Facebook marketplace account. Okay, so you guys know already that when you list a product, the listing stay there like forever. Okay, so what happens is that if you have a lot of listing, you're gonna need to delete some because sometimes Facebook sending you information that you have to renew that listing. But who got time for that? Nobody. I don't have time for that. What I do sometimes, I just delete them. If you have like just a little listing, not too much listing, you can delete it. It's so easy. You just can go there and then you click on delete and that's it. It's gone. So now what's gonna happen if you have a lot of listing? Let's say right now I have over 200 listing in this account. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how you can delete them like a robot. Okay, so this is crazy. I know it sounds stupid, but it's crazy. I did it and it worked for me. All right, so what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to go to your Facebook personal account. Okay, go on the top right hand corner. All right, click on setting and privacy, scroll down to activity log. Okay, so on the activity log, you're gonna have to go down to log actions and other activity. Okay, so try to find your marketplace listing. So if you guys can't find it or you don't have time to scroll down, you could just press Ctrl F on your keyboard, then type marketplace. Then you should be able to see two pop-ups. Okay, so this is the marketplace listing I was looking for. All right, you click on it and look at this, guys. This is the magic thing. All right, you're gonna need your mouse. All right, then you're gonna need your keyboard. Okay, so what I do is that I hold my mouse with my right hand and I make sure I have my keyboard on my left hand. So all right, the first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to use the mouse first. All right, go on the three dot on the right hand corner, you click on it, you click on delete, then you click on delete. Now you leave the mouse where it is. Okay, do not move it, leave it where it is and leave your hand like it's supposed to be. Okay, so now with your left hand, press enter in your keyboard twice, 1 2, and then it pop up again. You just now click the mouse with your right hand, delete. Let's try to do that. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Can we do that faster? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Oh my god, that's like a robot. Then you can see that this listing are deleting like quick. Okay, if you have a lot of listing, 1 2 3, you can do that. Let's try again. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is the only way I find that I can delete all that listing together. So this is a pain in the neck. Okay, so I don't really want to spend time or paying someone to do that for me, so I find a way to do it for myself. It's pretty easy. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. But you have to make sure the first thing you do is use the mouse. Okay, like you're gonna delete the listing like normally. Okay, you click on the three dot, you click on delete, delete again, then you leave the mouse where it is. Okay, with your hand on it. Then now you're gonna press delete twice on your keyboard. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. It's so much fun, eh? Okay, so that's all. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you don't make any mistake. Okay, so that was Patrice. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you.